Hello and you welcome to Danicom platform. Danicom is a channel on YouTube where we take our time and walk you through all the basic things you need to know as usual when it comes to usage of mobile phone, be it Android, laptop, tablet, iPhone or whatever gadget that you have. We will always help you to safeguard your assets in terms of electronic devices whilst online. We guide you on internet usage, how to save the internet. When it comes to social media, you can follow us for all the things that you need to know. Go to Facebook and look for Danny Tech Solutions and follow us where we will be giving you more information on tech. Come to YouTube and we are there as Danicom channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to log in to your staff email as a Global End Time Prayer Army member. Remember, Global End Time Prayer Army is a global non-governmental organization that prays 24 hours. If you are a Global End Time Prayer Army member, you visit the website that I am going to show you right now. You visit the website, and then when you visit the website, so for instance, the website that we are going to log in and be using to send all our emails and reports is called gepaglobal.net. That is our website, gepaglobal.net. So you visit the site first. As you can see, it has popped up in the first place. So gepaglobal.net, that is our website. Okay, so as you can see, gepaglobal.net has opened, and it is Global End Time Prayer Army, who we are, a non-governmental organization. What's the name? Why you have to join us? The biblical and spiritual. And as you can see, you can take your time and go through all these things at your own. We are currently in 4 countries, 10 chapters, 132 members, 400 people reached so far. So as you can see, you can go through the website, and as you are going through, there are a lot of features. When you click on this drop down, we have about us, the chapters that we have, UK. When you come to Ghana, a lot. And then when you go to Uganda, we also have a section we call E-Class, GEPA E-Class. And the E-Class is where a lot of classes has been going on. You can sign up and then also enjoy the class as well. But I am interested about showing you how to log into your staff email as a GEPA member, because I am on GEPA website. Okay, so when you scroll and get down here, you can see we have staff email here, staff email. As you can see, you click on the staff email, it will open for you. Okay, so when you click on the staff email, this is how it will open for you. So now you enter your email. So if you are the secretary, you have your email. If you are the PA, the personal assistant to the global president, you have your email. If you are the admin, you have your email. The president, the vice president, and all the chapters, everybody has his email. And so this is where you are going to use your email and then the password sent to you to log in and then have access to your email. And so quickly, I will log in as the webmaster at gepaglobal.net. This is my email, as you can see. So I will quickly put my password. And it will open for me. So I'll wait for it to open. Okay, so now they are asking me to save, but I am not interested, so I'll just quickly clear it to go. Okay, I'll just clear that one to go. I'm not interested to save the password, so that anytime I come here, it will not demand for password. It is not the best practice though. So now that your email has opened, we take a quick look at how the inbox is. As you can see, the inbox now is empty. The inbox now is empty. There's no mail currently in the inbox, as you can see. So if you want to do anything, you can click this drop down and see. You can see we have closed this, that. You can take your time and read a lot of them, import, download, edit, but at the moment there is no message in your inbox. So when you come to the other side here, you have the option to compose your message, to see the contacts you have that are on that are also members of Keeper. You have access to settings. So I will take my time and walk you through this thing step by step. Okay, so now the first thing that you need to know is when you click on compose, what it means. The compose simply means you are about to send a message or you are about to send an email. Okay, so as you can see up here, we have from, then to, and then the subjects. Okay, and so the webmaster is the one who is about sending the message. And so let me say I am sending to admin, or let me say I'm sending to the PA, the personal assistant to the president. So the PA at kepaglobal.net, like this. Okay, so at this point I am sending an email to kepaglobal.net, and I'm sending an email to PA, personal assistant to the president, and this is his email. Okay, I can decide to add multiple emails. That is what we call copy. So I will simply click on the plus, and we have a lot of copies here. We have the CC and the BC. CC simply means you are copying the person, and he will be in known of whatever you are sending. And then the BCC simply means if I copy the person, the one I am sending the email to direct, in this case the PA, will not know that I copied somebody. And so I will be able to send the email to, let's say, the PA without him knowing that I have put the president in BCC, that is blind copy. And so if he delays in whatever action that he is supposed to take, he may not know that as he is delaying, the president is aware that he is delaying. So you can copy and then add another one, let's say admin at kepaglobal.net. I can also copy, or I can also add somebody by saying I want to copy this one is copy. I can just say I want to send to secretary at kepaglobal.net. So assuming I am sending the email to these 3 people, okay, so I'll now put my email subject. Then I will say test message. All right, then I'll just say hello. Okay, hello, good evening, and hope you guys are doing great, right? Like this, for instance. And so once I have finished typing my message and I am okay with it, I'll quickly click on send. As you can see, I'll quickly click on send. But assuming that the message that you are sending, you need to add an attachment, or let's say a Word document or a PDF document, what you quickly need to do is to click on options and attachments. Now at this point, click on the attachment and it will direct you to wherever that your file is. You locate it, select it, and now it will be added to your email. And now when you are done, you click on send, as you can see. But I am not interested to send this message. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll quickly go back. I'll quickly close this and then go back. So now the next thing I will take you through is the mail. So when you come to mail, are you sure the message has not been sent and has unsaved changes? Do you want to discard your changes? You say discard. Okay, so it will not keep anything in your drafts. All right, so now what I will do is I'll come here and I'll come to mail. When I come to mail, it is the inbox I am coming to check who has sent me a message, and as you can see, it is empty. Now the next thing I will do is to go to contacts. As you can see, I am taking my time to walk you through all the things that are in your email when you logged in first. Now when you come to contact, you'll be able to see all the contacts that you have that are part of this organization. At the moment, no contact yet. So I'll also go down to settings, and at the settings part, we have a lot of things here, but the most interesting part is where we call the password. This is where you will be able to change the default password sent to you. Okay, so when you click on this password, it will ask you to put in your new password, confirm the password again, and then click on save. The password must be at least 8 characters long. Okay, now you finish, you click on save. You go back one step again. Now when we come to the light mode, this will give you the option to either make your browser look either white or dark. And when you click, as you can see, this is what will be the effect of it. Or you want the dark mode, you click on the dark mode. It depends on you. All right, now we have about. There's nothing there that at least you need. It's not for you, then you go or you close. Then you now have to log out after everything is done successfully. As you can see, I am back to the login stage. Thank you very much for watching this video. I think it's going to be a little bit challenging to some of us for the first time, but if you're having any challenge, please come to YouTube, comment in the comment section below, and I will respond to you quickly as I've been doing. Thank you very much, and we say GIPA, the hub of unlimited possibilities. God richly bless us all and have a nice day.